What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mizzy Miss Cool Cat County YouTube representing the Bizzers. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the Cool Cat County channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mizzy Miss Cool Cat County YouTube representing the Birds. If you're going to Tampa Bay, you might need this. If you're going to Tampa Bay to watch the Birds versus the Bucks, you might need an umbrella. Just saying. Run the ball weather. Run the ball weather. The reason I say that, and the reason why I got this umbrella, is because Sunday, Tampa Bay, it's going to be raining all day. That's the weather forecast. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the weather forecast for Tampa Bay. It's going to rain all day. It ain't going to stop till like 10 or 11 o'clock at night. It's going to be pouring down, raining on Sunday. It's going to be windy Sunday. In other words, throwing the ball might be good. Throwing the ball to Devontae Smith might be good, or to Mike Evans or Gronk or Dallas Goedert. It may be good, but the ball's going to be wet. Pause. The ball is going to be wet. Pause. So, run the ball. You can throw it to your playmakers. I will concede to that, of course. But again, run the ball because it's going to be pouring down, raining hard. This is perfect weather for a team that runs the ball. Simple. Simple. This is good for a team that runs the ball. Run the ball. I mean, Miles Sanders was limited on the injury report. I hope he does well because I got they need you. I didn't see Jordan Howard on the injury report. So hopefully that's a good thing because, well, I got they need you. Run the ball, weather. Run the ball, weather. You can say whatever you want. Give it to Devontae Smith. Give it to Devontae Smith, my guy. Yeah? Wet ball. Will you be able to catch it in the rain? Because, let's be honest, Eagles Nation, it's hard to catch a ball in the rain. Your gloves is going to be all wet. The ground is going to be all wet. You might slip. The grass is going to be all wet. You might slip. So what I'm trying to say to this offense, run the ball. If you got to give it to your playmakers, it better be 20 yards. Don't go deep because, again, that ball is going to be spinning through wet rain. And I don't need Rhaegar messing up in the rain if he plays. So again, once again, it's football weather. Run the ball weather. Rainy. Windy. All day, nonstop. Check the weather right there. Nonstop. It ain't gonna stop. Not until 11 o'clock at night. The Philadelphia Eagles need to see this, and whatever game plan they have, rip it up and run the ball all over it. Run the ball, run the ball, run the ball, run the ball. That should be on your play sheet. The only time you pass it is if you're trying to go, if you're first and 10 or second and 10. That's it. If you're first or second and 10, fine. If you're not, run the ball. If you can't run the ball in this weather, then Brady's going to be all day